Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say I'm a planner, and whenever I'm putting together a project, I always try to think of every last detail. But one detail I often overlook is if I'm gonna have enough light to adequately work on the project I'm doing. Recently, I picked up this Nebo rechargeable work light, and I've been testing it for the last couple of weeks. Here's how it's been going. The Nebo Omni 2K is an adjustable, multi-directional 2000 lumen work light. It features two separate LED lights that can be used individually or together and have a runtime of up to 9 hours on an individual charge. The work light doubles as a charging block and features a 4 milliamp USB port to quickly charge your devices, whether you're working late on the job site or out camping with friends. My favorite feature about this Nebo work light is its magnetic feet. This feature is great because it secures itself to the underside of your hood when you're working on your car or on any other metal surfaces around the shop. So if you're looking for a little light in your life, or maybe just some around the shop, pick up one of these Family Handyman approved Nebo work lights. You'll be happy you did. Over these 2 weeks, I've fallen in love with this work light. It's bright, long-lasting, and compact, making it perfect to keep in your toolbox, glove box, or toss in your backpack next time you go camping. For more great products we've tested and approved, come on over to familyhandyman.com.